Hey YouTube people, this is Flawless from Flawless Twitch TV. I got an interesting video to show you. I just made this Ps4 headset wireless on any device, so I'm going to show you how to go ahead and connect it to it. If you don't know what are the common features on the Ps4 headset, it has usually a volume, mic, game chat and stuff, and it has a Type-C and 3.5mm jack on the end. I also purchased a wireless receiver from Amazon for about $25. It came pretty fast. You can get this probably anywhere, probably Radio Shack or Best Buy. Just go ahead and look down in the link, and I'll have it down for you. Just trying to get this thing open, but whatever. Anyways, here's the wireless receiver right here. It's got a button and the 3.5mm jack. There's also the mic on it as well, and volume buttons as well. There's a 3.5mm jack, double edged, so you can plug it in either way. It doesn't really matter, just plug it into the headset. If anybody has been trying, they were unable to connect it to their PC, or trying to use it as a regular pair of headphones every day. All you do is just plug that in there to the wireless receiver and put the other end into the headset and just turn it on. It should connect with like a Bluetooth kind of setting where it's just flashing, and there you go. It should be plugged in and working. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe and follow my Twitch. Thanks.